Students can learn, but not all students learn in the same way or at the same pace. Good day. My name is Abdulkabir Shola, and here is my pitch for the Enterprise Challenge. My idea is based on a business and developmental need, which puts in place products and services that helps blended learning to thrive in the Nigerian sphere. The quality of education in Nigeria today will determine the economic destiny of the giants of Africa for generations to come. My team and I have designed products of global standards and services second to none in the Nigerian education industry. We have the Learning Management System, which is an ERP software for school administration and a test creator application for computer-based examinations. We are equally working in pipeline for customizable mobile apps that can be downloaded on various app stores. On the other hand, we look forward to exploring the blended learning experience and ensure students gain knowledge and skills to succeed in college and face the 21st century careers. This can only be harnessed through technology by engaging students with interactive content, creating a rich learning experience, transforming public schools for the digital age, and preparing students for the knowledge economy while empowering them to become lifelong learners. These and many more are benefits that can be explored from the business plan. We will look forward to partnering with the British Council, Virgin Atlantic, Microsoft, Ministry of Education, UNESCO, parents and guardians, and other professional bodies, for these are all stakeholders that will make it affordable, sustainable, and successful. Finally, I want to appreciate the organizers of this challenge, for they have given me an opportunity to take a lead. Thank you.